नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पे आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं आपको लीगल डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूंगा जिसकी स्पीड होगी 110 टू 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। 6 से 6 वर्ड की डिक्टेशन है। आप लोग डिक्टेशन के लिए रेडी हो जाएं। स्टार्ट। इन व्यू ऑफ द फैक्ट्स स्टेटेड above, comma, we find that in the present case, comma, the requisite care has not been taken by the respondents number 2 to 4 to strictly observe a mandate enshrined in clause 5 of article 22 of the Constitution of India as declared by the apex court and various high courts through its judicial pronouncements, full stop. This alone, comma, in our view, comma, renders the continued detention of the petitioner to be illegal and the petitioner is entitled to the reliefs claimed, full stop, paragraph. We have gone through the impugned order of detention as contained in Annexures 1 and 2, full stop. We find that the petitioner has been informed of his constitutional right to make a representation to the state government, comma, to the advisory board and to the central government, full stop. However, he has not been informed of his right to make a representation to the detaining authority, which is also violation of the constitutional mandate, full stop. In the case of State of Maharashtra and others versus Santosh Shankar Acharya, comma, JT 2000 bracket 8 bracket close SC 374, comma, the detention order was passed not by the state government but by the concerned officer empowered by the state government under subsection bracket 2 bracket close of section 3 of the act, full stop, paragraph. It is also not disputed that while communicating the detainee the grounds of detention, it has not been indicated therein that the detainee has right to make a representation before detaining authority, comma, though in the said communication it was mentioned that the detainee can make a representation to the state government as provided under section 8 bracket 1 bracket close of the Maharashtra Act, full stop. Bombay High Court dealing with the habeas corpus writ petition, comma, held that failure on the part of the detaining authority in a case where order of detention is issued under subsection under bracket 2 bracket close of section 3 to the detainee that he has a right to make a representation constitutes an infraction of the rights guaranteed under article 22 bracket 5 bracket close of the Constitution, and as such, comma, the detention becomes invalid on that score, full stop. Honorable Supreme Court, after considering the various provisions of the Maharashtra Prevention of Dangerous Activities of Slumlords, comma, Bootleggers, comma, Drug Offenders and Dangerous Persons Act, comma, 1981, read with section 3 bracket 2 bracket close, comma, bracket 3 bracket close, comma, sections 14 and 8 of article 22 bracket 1 bracket close of the Constitution of India held as follows, full stop, paragraph. The only logical and harmonious construction of the provisions would be that in a case where an order of detention is issued by an officer under subsection under bracket 2 bracket close of section 3 of the act, comma, notwithstanding the fact that he is required to forthwith deport of the factum of detention together with the grounds and materials to the state government, and notwithstanding the fact that the act itself specifically provides for making a representation to the state government under section 8 bracket 1 bracket close, comma, the said detaining authority continues to be the detaining authority until the order of detention issued by him is approved by the state government within a period of 12 days from the date of issuance of detention order, full stop. Consequently, comma, until the said detention order is approved by the state government, the detaining authority can entertain a representation from a detainee and in exercise of his power under the provisions of section 21 of Bombay General Clauses Act could amend, comma, vary or re-signed the order, comma, as is provided under section 14 of the Maharashtra Act, full stop. Such a construction of powers would give a full play to the provisions of section 8 bracket 1 bracket close, as well as section 14 and also section 3 of the Maharashtra Act, full stop. This being the position, comma, non-communication of the fact to the detainee that he could make a representation, full stop. यहाँ पर आप लोग डॉटेड लाइन करके इस मैटर को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.